With just a few clicks, you can create a 3D animation movie. You can even upload them on YouTube and generate passive revenue. In today's video, I will show you how to create a 3D animation video using AI. So, without further ado, let's get started. First, we need to create an account on DeepMotion AI. Just enter your email and set a password. After creating an account, click on Enter Animated 3D. Now, click on Animated 3D. Next, click on Get Started on the next page. Click on 3D Model here. In this step, we will create our 3D model. You can also upload a 3D model, but this time we will create a model using AI. Here, you can create two types of models, a stylized character or a realistic character. Select whichever you prefer. I will choose the stylized character. However, I will create a model using DeepMotion's database, so I'm clicking on Continue without photo. Now, you have to select an avatar. After selecting an avatar, click on Next. This is our AI-generated 3D model. You can customize the model as you wish, changing the skin tone, face type, eyebrows, nose type, outfit, and everything else. After customizing your avatar, click on Next. You can create an account with Ready Player to reuse the avatar or skip it. Now, give your character a name and click on Save. Our 3D model is ready. Now, let's create an animation with this model. Click on Create Animation. If you want to create a 3D static pose, click here. To create a static pose, upload a photo with the desired model pose. This time, we're creating an animation, so I'm selecting 3D animation. Click on Browse File, select the video and rename it if necessary. Note that your video should be less than 20 seconds since the free version allows only 20 seconds of video. If you have a longer video, split it into parts of 20 seconds and create the animation part by part. If you want to create a video, click on Video Output and enable MP4 output. Turn off MP4 audio and including original video. Next, click on Custom Background and select a solid color. Set the camera mode to cinematic. Now, click on Create. You can export the animation in various formats for use in animator editors such as Blender, AutoCAD, and others. Click on Start Job. Our 3D animation is ready. After downloading the 3D model, go to Canva. Click on Video to create a blank video. Now, click on Element and search for an animated background. Select a video and choose a background video that best suits your video topic. I am selecting this one. After selecting the video, click the right button and select Set Video as background. Then, click on Share and download the video in MP4 format. Now, we need to give the final touch to our animation video. For that, I am using a video editor. Now, let's add music to our video. I will download copyright-free music from YouTube. After downloading the music, insert it into the audio section and adjust it according to the video.